Hello, and welcome to Tok, Alaska. Tok, Alaska is a small village located approximately 90 miles from the Canadian border. It is the first populated village you encounter after entering the state of Alaska from the Canadian border. The population of Tok is approximately 1,415 people and has an elevation of just over 1,600 feet. Tok is surrounded by mountains to the north and south of the village, with roads leading in all four directions from the village. It is the trade center for the Athabascan tribes from the 6 villages nearby. The nearby area surrounding Tok is also home to rivers, backcountry, and gold fields. The village of Tok is also home to a portion of the Yukon Quest dog sled race. Considered the world's toughest race, it covers approximately 1,000 miles and runs 10 to 16 days, starting in February every year, regardless of weather conditions, which vary greatly during that month. This year's purse is worth $35,000, and it's split between the first 15 finishing teams. The temperatures during this time can be as low as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, with winds up to 100 miles per hour, with open water and bad ice as barriers. In this slide, you can see the maximum, minimum, and average daily temperatures for Tok during the month of December 2021 and the monthly climate normals for the village of Tok. According to the charts, the average temperature during December is around minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. If you compare that with the daily numbers, only half of December was above or near 10 degrees Fahrenheit. The other half of the month was well below the average temperature, usually at or well below negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit, with very little precipitation recorded for the month of December. The lack of precipitation was likely due to the extreme temperatures. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend and have a great week.